Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Paul and in today's video we'll talk about Tapbit exchange and copy trading service that they offer. This is no KYC CEX exchange, so we can basically register with your email and start copy trading after depositing USDT. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. You can choose from over 1200 traders and we're gonna pick up the ones that are in my opinion the best. I will show you how to check their performance. So let's begin. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Alright guys, and we are back, and as usual, before we move forward, remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. You should always do your own research, never invest too much, and always spread the risk across many platforms. This is how I do it. And one of the platforms that I chose to test copy trading a little bit, because there are many platforms that offer that, so it's good to diversify, and I've seen some good results here. I've been monitoring for a while, so I'm setting up now a few traders, two traders, and I'm going to show you how to check their performance. First of all, let's check the first one that is suggested. Remember, you can switch for 30 and 90 days, okay? And it looks like this is the best one, okay? And let's look why, and let's see if his followers are earning, okay? Because I've seen him, he hadn't got a lot of followers, and they recently joined because of yesterday when he did huge trade. But if we go to 30 days, it's only five trades and two are lost. So it's not exactly some history that I would follow, and it's only showing the first place because of a return of investment, and that is not actually showing his actual performance. Okay, so let's go back here and let's go to the copy trading section where we would be able to look with more detail. Okay, so let's look for PNL for followers, because I'm gonna follow, so I'm interested in traders which are performing in terms of my return of investment and what I actually earned, what people actually earned. Okay, and let's go actually. Okay, let's go with 7 days. So this is the first trader that I think is performing very well. Look at that. A total of 558 trades for over a year now, with over 1,000 cumulative followers. And for the last 7 days, the return of investment was 390%, and the PNL was 8,588. So depending on which day you might have started copy trading, which exact time, because it sometimes you need to wait until the trades are done when you start following. So people are joining and leaving, etc. So this is good. Let's look at 30 days. Okay, not bad. Something that I think is looking good. Maybe not for long, short term, maybe for long term. Let's say for 2 weeks. Let's see, or depending on a day. And what is interesting here is that his win rate is 100%, and for the last 60 trades, all the trades were won. So most likely he is not closing trades when they are negative. Okay, maybe that requires cross trading. He's trading with around 40 to 75 leverage. You can check the results for the trades for the last, let's say, 2 days here, and it's looking pretty decent. There's a limit of followers that he takes, but there are still, place here open so you can join it, and at the moment when I'm doing this video, of course, we have now a very bullish market. People are joining, so you have to always check that if because let's say this might be a good trader, okay. 80% win rate is also good, but you won't be able to join trader anymore because he already has maxed out the followers that he can take, and the same goes here and here. Let's look at this one. Still a lot of place to join, okay. And I also checked that trader and thought that maybe with this high win rate it's also good to join and check him for a while. Let's see how he's trading. You can also see that he's most likely only trading Bitcoin with 30x leverage, so that's also acceptable to me. It's something that I'm looking for, okay. But you can also go for comprehensive traders. You can go for return of investment, and then you'll see traders that in theory did the best return of investment for their followers. But look at that, here followers are on minus, okay. So we don't know exactly how this works, but most likely even though now it's the account is positive, people who joined before, they are still waiting to make up the, they are not earning, okay. Let's see 30 days. In 30 days they earned, okay. Not really that the trader earned, but they not, because people are, you can always close the trade yourself. Sometimes it requires a bigger account, okay. So what you can do if you want to copy a trader, let's actually do that right now. I'll show you how to do it. When you click to follow, okay, as you can see, I am already following this trader. You can set the trade for 10 USDT. This is the minimum, okay. And this is what I did actually to test it out, okay, because I'm diversifying. You can choose what amount per order. Is it magnification? Is it position ratio? What I did, I just chose fixed amount, okay? And you can set a limit of trades that the trader can take with your balance. You need to have perpetual balance because this is trading futures. And you can also set the margin mode or for isolated or just follow trader setting. But by then, you have to check if he's trading with close leverage. That will mean that he might take more than you set. It's so I just set isolated, okay. But maybe the best one is follow trader setting, but then you might need a few $100 for collateral, the trade. So that's what you need to set here in the beginning, okay. Of course, depending on your budget, etc. But we are talking about like low budget copy trading here. So that's what I did actually. And if we go back to copy trading here, let's see. I tested it before and I closed the trades maybe too early. I just did what people are doing, so I know why sometimes, even though the trader might seem good, that it will not look negative. Okay, so let's look at manage my following. This is where I will be able to track the performance of traders that I'm copying, okay? And currently there are no positions, but you can see history here and see here I closed maybe a good trade because this trader is usually not closing negative, but I was just testing it out. Look here, this did good, all right. And There was one huge trade here, but it's not showing because, oh, maybe it will show here in the history. I remember, yeah, for 95 bucks. That is why I was still in profit, even though I made some mistakes closing trades too early. And, but some traders were not performing well, like this one, and as you can see, he did pretty poor for the last 7 days. So I'm not going to copy him anymore. But, it's testing. I'm testing for you, kind of. And this is how where you can see the performance of your traders. Right now there are no trades, but I'm waiting when any of these traders that I chose will open a new trade. This is just a new one that I'm trading. He's not getting a lot of followers, but even with small number, he was able to come up with a good PNL for our followers. So I'm thinking maybe give him a chance. He's taking a lot of profit share, 30%. This is what you need to look for as well. So from your winnings, he will take 30%, okay? And you'll have to pay that and fees. So basically that's how it works. So let's check this one. This one's taking only 12%. So I'm also not choosing the most expensive ones, and this one, which is the most experienced, is only taking 10%. And you can see instructions that you should most likely set it up to position ratio to something maximum 300,000 risk control. Okay, it's in Chinese, so maybe I should check it out more. We can always add it here, and let's go. So this was position ratio, okay? So let's set it up to position ratio and max amount, okay? We're gonna leave it like this, isolate it and confirm. So you can always check your trading, check your settings for your traders. And let's see now this one. Okay, I would have to translate that. Anyway, this is more or less how copy trading on Tapbit works. On the next video, I will also show you some other options they have for a sort of passive income as well, which is grid trading. And this is also what you can do here. So you can basically set it up for Bitcoin with low leverage and get some extra income in the background working for you, okay? And it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Right? So you don't really have to trade yourself these days on these crypto exchanges to get some extra profit each month. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Cheers and see you on my next video.